This is William right at the training grounds of these female youths. They are from 13 years to 16, as you can see them training, and they are into football, and we want to see how best an individual or an organization can support them, catch them young like this, because this is the future of Ghana. If we can be able to train children like this, then in future we'll have people, or we have players who can play for the national team, like the Black Queens. So this has been William Mensah reporting for you. This is the goalkeeper, as you can see, in serious training.